Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that when you're just using the YouTube, just like that, I'm using in front of you, just like that, I'm just using my YouTube, and you're facing issue because that when you just like that, when just you going to the any person of the video, just like that, and just go to the that person video and just tap on that
यार ये मोबाइल गेम इतनी मजे की है ना कि अगर आपके पास गेमिंग पीसी
and
है
just
तब भी आप उसको ऑन नहीं करोगे
skip the
इस
ad.
Trump's divide and conquer
Just go in
strategy is
the
blowing up in his face,
screen
and it's
and
all
just scroll
because
it
of
down
one
and just
crucial meeting in
see the
Mexico
comments,
City.
and you see
While
that
Trump
I'm
thought he
gonna
could
see
pit
all the
Canada
comments,
and
but in
Mexico
your
against each
case you
other in
don't
trade
see any comments
negotiations,
and this
Prime
getting
Minister
error.
Mark Carney
So how you
just
can
pulled
resolve
off a
that?
diplomatic
Simply just follow all
masterstroke
the
that
settings. I'm gonna
completely
tell
flipped
that
the
in this
script.
video to fix your issue. So we'll just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not during that process. So simply just go to the general section and let's go to the software update and let's update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After going back and let's go to the iPhone storage and just find a YouTube just like that, and you just have to just tap on offload. You think that you just have to just tap on offload and again install the YouTube from here. After doing that, just go back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After doing all these stuffs, you problem gonna solve. If your problem not gonna solve after all the settings, you just have to just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that, and also you have to just power off your iPhone. Just press the power button and volume up button and just power off your iPhone and get on it. After doing all these stuffs, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.